Completed workspace diagrams are transferable in different formats and are invaluable for supporting students writing on their chosen subject. Once a workspace is completed, you can click the export icon for further options. You can choose to export as a graphic, which allows you to save the current workspace as a picture file, choose where to save it, and also change the file name. Alternatively, you could send your workspace as a diagram to the document. This will send a picture of the current workspace to the document, and this can be resized by dragging on the green handles. Lastly, you can choose to send to the document as text. It will ask you to decide if you want to use all of the tabs in the workspace or just this one tab. And this will send the information to the document in a list or an outline as a great starting point for students writing. Any of these options can be useful to help transition students from the workspace into the document and get them starting to write longer, more comprehensive pieces of text.